Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing for your real estate license exam, you might be wondering what to expect on the big day. Today, we'll walk through what to expect and how to be fully prepared for exam day. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what to do before you leave home. Ensure you have a good night's sleep and eat a healthy breakfast to fuel your brain. Double check you have all the necessary items: your ID, exam confirmation, pens, pencils, and a calculator if allowed. Wear comfortable clothes and consider bringing a sweater in case the exam room is cold. When you arrive at the test center, aim to be there at least 30 minutes early. This gives you time to check in and settle any last-minute nerves. At check-in, you'll likely need to show your ID and exam confirmation. You may also have to have your photo taken for identification purposes. Some states require multiple forms of ID, so be sure to verify the check-in requirements well in advance of your testing date. Be prepared for security measures. You may need to store your personal belongings in a locker. Some centers have strict policies, so avoid bringing unnecessary items. Metal detectors and ID verification are common to ensure exam integrity. Follow the instructions of the proctors carefully. Once in the exam room, find your assigned seat and get comfortable. The proctor will provide instructions and answer any questions before the exam begins. Listen carefully to the instructions and ensure you understand the exam format and time limits. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to ask. During the exam, pace yourself. Keep an eye on the time, but don't rush. Answer the questions you know first and mark the ones you're unsure about to revisit later. Read each question carefully and ensure you understand what is being asked before choosing your answer. Be aware of the rules regarding breaks. Some exams have scheduled breaks, while others do not. Follow the guidelines provided by the proctor. During breaks, avoid discussing the exam with others. Use the time to relax, stretch, and stay hydrated. Once you've completed the exam, take a moment to review your answers if time permits. Ensure you've answered all questions to the best of your ability. When the time is up, follow the proctor's instructions for submitting your exam. Collect your belongings and leave the test center quietly. In many states, you'll receive your test results before leaving the test center. In states where the test results are not immediately available, you'll likely have to wait only a few days for notification. Check your email or the testing provider's website for updates. To recap, being well prepared and knowing what to expect on exam day can help reduce anxiety and improve your performance. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and resources on your real estate journey. We'll see you next time.